Do you want to learn how to enable or disable trending topics on Bluesky Social on mobile? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know if you have any other questions in the comments. Let's get to it. Now, when you open up Bluesky Social, on the top, you're going to find this below Discover, this trending topics. These are all the trending topics. You can scroll it right or left like this. And it has this icon on the left hand side, which looks like this blue curvy icon. This is for trending topics. Now to disable or enable this field, this whole field here, on the top left, click on this, 3 lines, and then go to settings. Now inside the settings, go to content and media. Now here, you're going to find the settings for content and media. You can enable, disable trending topics by clicking over here. Uncheck it, and now you're not going to see trending topics tab anymore. You can enable it again, and below it we have enable trending videos in your Discover feed. You can also disable it and enable it from here. Now let's say I disable this, enable trending topics, and I go back to my home page, and now I'm not going to see that trending topics whole field on top anymore. And now to bring it back, just go back to settings, and in content and media, click on this to enable it. And now if I go back to home page, I will see that trending topics field appear again. And that's it. This is how to enable or disable trending topics on Bluesky Social. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.